This right here, this tripod has become obsolete. You know what they say? Out with the old, in with the new. Oh yeah, the new selfie stick. Craft Geek, the holy grail of the selfie stick. This has been trending since last month in August when it came out. So yeah, TikTok made me buy it.
All right, so let's take a look and see. So it has a charging cable, the manual, and a RIN for Androids. And the most satisfying part of any unboxing, the peeled. Oh yeah. There you have it. This is everything that comes with, nothing special. Let's continue.
So we outside at the park trying this out. So you're gonna do this with class. There you go, nice and neat. It weighs around 14 pounds. I'm sorry, 14 ounces. And it goes as high as 65 inch. I'm 5'11", and this turns right here. One thing that I did wanted to try at the grass, just to see how will it perform. So we're gonna check this out now here. And let's see. Nope, that's right, it does not work in the grass. But one thing that you can do, you can still make it look fancy. Just tap at the bottom and then pull all the way down. Nice, classy, pretty cool. So we are back in the studio, home. I do have a few pointers that I want to talk about this. First of all, the design itself is very slim, very cool, very slick. You can feel it. I love how the remote, it flushes with the tripod. So it's kind of cool. It's Bluetooth Type C. On the legs, it does feel kind of cheap plastic, honestly. But then again, if you make this metal, the selfie stick will gain a substantial weight. So you tell me, is it worth the extra weight? What do you think? Tell me in the comments. Alright, so another thing that I would like to show you is how it gets closed. You can either pull this ring up, or in this case down, if you have it like that. And then once you have it down, hold it, and then you want to meet it together. Make sure you hear the clicks, and that's it. The other way is by pulling this leg up, and then again close it all the way. Make sure you hear the clips. Overall, I love this selfie stick. It's just so nice, so compact, elegant, stylish. Yeah, you cannot go wrong with this, man. You definitely cannot. Where's my phone? Oh, right here. Yeah, you can definitely not go wrong with this. Normal asking people to take pictures outside, for real.